We have over 100 people that are in our membership, but there's really just a small number, a relatively small number, maybe even 10 people that regularly come along and do work in the garden. The gardens are 52 acres, so and they're also on a cliff, of course. They're on the cliff side, so they're not really that easy to maintain. Fortunately, we do have a good team of gardeners, and the friends, of course, come along here every Wednesday morning, and we work from 10 until 12 every Wednesday. Sometimes it's even just down to tidying, picking up leaves in the autumn, weeding in the summertime, cutting back roses, those kind of things we're involved in. The Friends were very, very instrumental in getting a huge lottery bid accepted. The Heritage Lottery very generously gave us £5 million. So what you actually see in the gardens is the result of that £5 million that the Heritage Lottery gave to us. And we really improved the significant areas. This rose garden, that was done with lottery funding. We're having a garden party, not in June unfortunately, because the weather's always a bit unreliable when you're so close to the sea. We actually are planning to run it in August, which is the sunny season, we hope.